Today's day 46 of Being Kind for Infinite Days. So today we were at Kroger and we were shopping and we looked at some birds. They were hungry and they started biting plastic. We took it out of their mouths and threw it away in the trash to make sure that no harm will come to them. And if you see any bird eating plastic, make sure to get out of their mouths and instead give them bird food. And it's our decision to make the world a lovely place or not. You can sing a beautiful song and make it look beautiful, or you can sing a bad song and make it bad. Okay? So you can decide. It's your decision. I think that we should play a beautiful song. Go kindness!